The biggest mistake we see over and over again about why presentations don't work is because they've started with PowerPoint. I mean, PowerPoint's great, but it's not a planning tool. So if you want to put together a really good presentation, think about what are the messages, who's your audience, why are you giving this presentation? Get all that bit right. Then, only at the end of the planning process, after you've created a great talk, work out what visual aids, if any, do you need to make it all work better.
The biggest mistake people make when presenting is to sort of slightly goofily ramble up onto the stage, shuffle their papers, and thank the audience for coming to listen to them, and then start to say rather self-consciously who they are. You need to get straight, cut to the chase, and have your key message right up front, and it has to be compelling.
I think the biggest mistake people make when presenting is a lack of preparation. And the way that shows is that it goes on too long, their presentation, it's unstructured, and it's delivered in a lackluster way. The moment you start preparing, however you do that, if it's saying it out loud, bringing in a coach, recording yourself and checking back the recording, lots of those things change very, very quickly. You find that you focus in on the message much more accurately, you structure it more clearly so people can remember what you say, and you deliver it with a bit of gusto.